Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the essentials: Xcode command line tools and Homebrew. Open Terminal and run Xcode select install to get compilers and Git. Once done, install Homebrew with the single-line installer. Make sure Homebrew reports its version because you'll use it to install a controlled Python. This avoids the system Python pitfalls. You install Homebrew now because it manages dependencies and keeps your environment clean. Next, we'll use it to install the exact Python release you need. Now install Python through Homebrew or PyEnv to control versions. If you want a single stable install, run brew install Python at 3x and then adjust path so /usr/local or /opt/homebrew comes first. If you need multiple versions, install PyEnv with brew, then PyEnv install 3x and PyEnv local or PyEnv global to select a version. Doing this ensures pip targets the correct interpreter. Make sure to restart your shell or source your profile so the chosen Python is active in new terminals. Finish by creating virtual environments for each project and using pips for standalone CLI tools. Run Python mvenv. Venv then source. Venv/bin/activate to isolate dependencies. Install packages with pip. Use pips for global command line apps to avoid polluting environments. If things go wrong, check which Python and which pip to confirm they point to your Homebrew or PyEnv managed interpreter. Then echo $path and adjust your shell profile. That one troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.